cold, 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 honey. Oh, hello, 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 hello. Whew. Hey, y'all. How's it going? I'm back with another video. In tonight's video, I'm going to show you guys how to do a quick bulk upload. Because a lot of people don't know this, and you got to know this stuff. If you're going to win, right, and you want to win big, you got to know all of this type of stuff. So that is what we are going to work on tonight. Is we're going to work on bulk uploading products. And in order for me to show you how to bulk upload it, I got to show you how to get the template to figure out what it is that is going on, right? And so that could be from any, hey, Cynthia, how are you? Did you have a good holiday? You have to grab this over here, show you guys how to do this. So if you wanted to, let's say if you want to do a bulk upload and you want to upload like hundreds of products, right? There's an easy way to do it. And I'm not going to say that it's like super, super easy, but it's pretty easy. It's easy enough for you to get it done, especially since now we got ChatGPT and all of that. So the website that I'm going to be using is going to be WordPress, and you can do this bulk uploading and exporting from any website. Does not just have to be WordPress. So any website that you have, you should be able to go in to your settings and do this method. So let me pull up, let's get our ChatGPT out of the way for a moment, and let me go over here to my website. So I'm over here on my website, and if I go over here to products, you want to go down. Oh, whoop, whoop, whoop. Y'all ain't seeing nothing. Hold on. Let me come over here. Okay. So here we go. Okay. Here we go. Let me transition over. Okay. I did okay. Seeing I didn't get up until about 7:30 and started cooking, and then about 9:30 Keek made it. Girl, Kiana made that dressing just like me, girl. That mac and cheese. Girl, I was like, woo, I could just retire because, hey, she did a really good job. So, in this video, I'm going to show y'all how to do a bulk upload. So, what we're going to do, we're going to go over here. And normally, where you export or import products, that's where you're going to do your bulk upload. So I'm going to go over to my products, and I'm going to click all products. And this pretty much works for, like I said, any website. Now, you may want to clean up your product database before you do this, right? So what I mean is I have like 28 things published, so I may want to go in here and clean this up before I go and export anything. What I like to do is I like to be able to look and see what attributes I have for whatever product. And so I'll create a product, and then I'll add the colors, the sizes, all of that stuff. And it could be a dummy product. And then that way, when you download it, you know exactly how to do it. So here over in our WordPress, and this will be in any site that you go in, you'll have your add products, your import, and your export. Right? Sometimes your import and your export will be over in this area. But we're going to go in before you can import the products. You got to have like a template to know how to export the product. So what we do to get the template is we just export the products. So right now we're going to click export, and we're going to go in here. It's going to pull up export products to a CSV file. That's the type of file that you need, is to export and import in. So when you're doing your importing, you have to import files by columns. So the reason that we're going to export it is so that we can draw out the column names. Now, if we were to export all columns, we would have a huge, huge file, which would be a little, let's see, um, let's open this one. This would be really, really complicated, the file that we would have. We would have a file, something like this. Um, and you see all of these different things up here. This is a super long file with a whole lot of stuff going on. And that's not what we want, because you'll get, trust me, you will get confused. So I don't want you guys to do that. So the things that you need when you just want to do like certain columns. So let's say, for example, here you always want the SKU number. You may want the type. The type will be like a simple product, which doesn't have a lot of attributes or variables, meaning that, let's say it's just a simple product, it doesn't have different colors that you can choose. It's so t-shirts are not simple products. T-shirts are variable products because you have uh, t-shirt colors, t-shirt sizes, things like that. So for me, I'm gonna just go in and whatever you don't import, it's just not gonna be there, and then you have to edit it in the system. I want to be as detailed as possible without getting overwhelmed. So I might do something like type, SKU number. I definitely want the name of the product. I want to publish the product, and I'll show you guys how to publish it from the upload. So I definitely want to publish it. I'm not worried about is it featured. I'm not worried about it being visible in the catalog, but I do want to add my short description, and I want the description to already be there, because when I upload, I want everything to be uploaded and published and like boom. So if I do 100 products, I want them all to be uploaded and published, and I don't want to have to go in and go one by one and fix anything. You want it to be one and done. So if this step takes you days to do, let it take you days to go in and upload it, because once you upload it to the site, if you do it correctly, it'll be perfect. Okay. So let's go in and notice that as I click it, they gray out. So featured, I don't care about. If you want the product to go on sale, start a sale at a certain date, you can do that. But normally you can do that after you get the products up. So, because normally you're not just going to put them up and they're going to be on sale right away. Your tax status, I definitely want my tax status. I don't do tax class because it's either taxable in Texas or it ain't. You may, if you track stock, then you want to select stock, and that will give you the numbers that you have in stock. If you do back orders and all of that, you might want to do that. Now for me, I'm going to be shipping, so I would select weight. I would select the weight. I would select after weight, length, the height, and all of that, right? So length, height, all of that. You're not worried about any customer reviews at this time. If you, because if you don't select this, it's just gonna be active by default, right? Okay. So these are pretty much, let me look and see if they're, and you may want, so I like to have categories and tags, because then I don't have to go in and do any of that. Trying to get, like I said, as much stuff in here as I can. So it may take me a little bit longer. For some reason, you cannot just like click and hold like 3 or 4 of them at a time. So I have to go in. Now you definitely got to have the price on there. And you just do this until you get everything that you want. Shipping class. If you want upsells, cross sales, I'll do cross sales, and I will do a upsell. We'll do cross sales and we will do upsells on here. And that is at the end where you are. Let's go here, upsells, and let's see, is there anything else? I think all of this looks pretty good except for the shipping class. So, and of course, you definitely want to have your attributes. Okay. So these are the things you want. Now you can then go in and you can say, okay, which products do I want to export? Do you want to export them all, or do you want to just export a certain category? So let's say, for example, that I created a product which is like a test category, and that product has all the things on it that I need. I may not want to export my whole site, right? I don't want to export all of the products. I can export simple products or group products, however you want to export, right? So here, I'm not even worried about that. This one in categories, these are the categories that are on my website. My main category is minimums, and then bulk apparel. So right now, bulk apparel is actually what I'm wanting to update. So I am going to go ahead and select bulk apparel because minimums is a new way of me doing it. And bulk apparel is going to show you the old process of doing it. And I also want to go in and I want to export my holiday collections because I just want to see how those export out. So once you do that, you hit generate CSV, and it's going to quickly generate all of the products that you have. And then you see we get this little pop-up, and now we can open that up. Now when we give it, we have this file like this, and it looks like it's a lot, but it's really not, y'all. So the first thing that I like to do is highlight everything, and I want to make it big enough so I can see it. So I like to change everything to 16. Then I like to highlight this row, my top row over here, hit home. You're going to go over to format, and then you want to do the column width. And let's say we'll make this about 40 and see what happens. That kind of cleans. We're trying to clean everything up right now. And then from here, I'll just start going and kind of stretching stuff out, making it make sense, you know. Here under my products, I'm going to go in and I'm going to go here to home. And then what I like to do is I like to wrap the text that way, because these are descriptions, and it'll just go over and over. So unless you fix it, so I'm going to do it. And this is just so that I can see as I'm editing this file, because I mean, it is a lot to edit, right? It's a lot for us to edit. So I'm just going to keep strolling over. And here on tax status, that doesn't need to be big. This one doesn't need to be big. And all this other stuff, we can kind of just bring it in and make it fit how it's supposed to fit. And like I said, it looks like a lot. And that's why I say if it takes you whatever it takes you to do it, just let it take you that amount of time to get it done, because at the end of the day, once you get all of this stuff done, you're just like good. When I say you're good, you're good. And then you can save this. And once you save it, you'll just like always have it. Right? So we'll just leave that. Our attributes. These are going to be our attributes over here, which is going to be very important. And so I'm pretty happy with the way that this is looking. And I'm going to go here to type and SKU number and kind of make those a little bit shorter. here we're gonna come and kind of go in and just kind of, the description's gonna always be long. So this is kind of what it's gonna end up looking like. You'll have, so right here we have a simple product. We're missing a SKU number. We have our names of our products. If it's published, it's gonna say 1. If you don't want it published, you hit -1 on there, and that will stop it from publishing, y'all. That will stop it from publishing if it's a -1. So if you don't want any of the products to be published when you upload this, just hit -1 and won't nothing upload. Okay. Okay, so if you want your short description, your long description, all of that stuff, taxable, whether it's in stock, the weight of the product, and all of that, you can go in and do all of that. And then you have your categories here, the categories. And what I like to do is I'm going to go and put a filter on this. So we have our type right here. And just because you don't have to do this, this is just me. This is just a thing that I like to do, kind of make my stuff look kind of pretty. I'm going to do a sort and filter on this. And what this sort and filter does is it will help me find products that I need. If I need to look up something, I can find it real quick. So what I want to do is, let me go here to all the products that are blank. I'm going to select all the products that are blank. And they are missing SKU numbers. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to do TSD. And sometimes some people will go with like, let's say you have a, maybe we do G800 dash red dash whatever, right? S. Me, I'm just going to do a simple SKU number because it ain't like I'm using them or like I need to know what the SKU number is. So I'm going to do TSD001. We're just I'm going to kind of clean up this database, and I'm going to select it here with my cursor, and I'm going to drag it all the way down through all of these products that are here and all of these variations. And we're finna give all of these a number. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Still dragging, still dragging. So there, and then here, I'm gonna go, whoop. All I wanna do is feel you. Duplicate, unique. Hold on. I don't know why that did that. Why my drag did not. It should count me down. What is the deal? I'm not sure, y'all. What? I'm not sure. Huh. Why is that not filling? Normally, it would do exactly. That's weird. I don't know. Maybe I'm selecting something wrong, but I need these to fill the numbers, and for some reason, it's not doing that. Duplicate text equal to clear, totals, tables, spark lines, charts. I'm not sure. Okay, so this is what I'm going to do. Why are you formatted as a number? I bet you're not. That's the problem. Are you not formatted as a number? You're not. Let me try something. Hold on. 001. Let's see. Let me try something. It's still not formatting. Okay. Hold on. Let me go. And this will be a good time for me to go ask ChatGPT. So I'm over in Excel and I'm dragging a number in a CSV document, and it's not filling to the next number. Why? Why? It doesn't fill in sequence. Ugh. Okay. To use the fill series, it won't fill. Into the first row and the second number, highlight both numbers, and then drag the handle. Okay, let's see. Enter 001 002, and it's not giving me that front number, but I'll go in and get it. And then it said to highlight these two and then drag in a series, and it's still not doing it. Okay, I got something for you. I don't know why, but if this was not a CSV file, it would just drag. So I may end up making an Excel file, then bringing it back so that I can put all those SKU numbers in there together. So right now what I want to do is I'll just go in and show you some stuff. So I have some short descriptions, some product descriptions, and I've got some new stuff that I want to add. And over there, I'm going to fix that, and I just don't know how, but like I said, I'm going to take my time and go in and fix it. But I want to show you guys. So the Mama Claus design here that I have, that's a new style. So I want to see, I want to go up to the variations, and I want to get into the variations. So let me go over here and look at the name of the product. I'm going to drop down here and I'm going to find the name of the product that I want to see. Is it M-A-M-A? I hope. Okay. So this Mama Claus design right here is what I want. And what I want to go over here and I want to see, it has all of the tags. It has the price down there. It should have all of my attributes, and it does. So right here, this one has white and sand. This one has multiple design styles here, which is the one that had the design 1, design 2, design 3. So I want to see if these variables are able to be done in a line. Now, if you notice here, it also gives me all of these here with the variables like this. I'm not worried about those. I'm just going to import this line on my product, and all the other ones are going to be done. So let's go ahead and clear this out. And let's see here, so we can clear out the SKU. And then we can clear this out, and now we have everything. So if it's anything that you need to go in and update in all of your products, you're going to go in and you're going to look, add the tags or anything that any categories, any upsells and all of that. And I'm going to come back to all of that and add all of that at another time. But here I'm going to go and I'm going to insert, because I want to insert a couple of lines. Insert. Okay. So all the products basically that I'm going to be using, I can do this one or two ways. I could either wipe all those out, but if I wipe those out and I go to upload, products, then you're not gonna, they're gonna disappear, right? So I don't want to do that. So what I'm gonna do is I just like to add in a few here. And so what I'm gonna say is type. Type is going to be variable. And you can leave type alone if you want to, a 1. And then I have some products that, you know what? I'm actually going to export these products out and then import them back in, I think. Because I got some stuff I want to do. I think I might do it that way. I may do it that way. Maybe, maybe not. Let's see. Well, we got a Gildan 500. And I can just actually copy and paste. So I'm going to copy some products in here. So I'm going to copy this Gildan 500. I want it to be published when it goes in. I'll come back and do a short description and all of that. But I'm going to go here. It's going to be taxable. And taxable says taxable. And then stock, we're not going to worry about the weight of this Gildan shirt. We're going to say it's 5 ounces. On the length, height, and the width, you don't want to put that as the actual length of the shirt and the height of the shirt. Do that as what the shirt would be folded, right? Because you got to remember that you're thinking about shipping, okay? So we're going to think about shipping, what the weight would be shipping. And let's see what this actual weighs in the bag. So this is one t-shirt, and this t-shirt weighs 6.9 ounces. I'm going to say 7 ounces. And we're going to say that the length is the longest area. We're going to say this is, normally I would ship it in, this is like a 12 by 9, but I always fold it to get the extra. So if you leave it to 12, if you put in there that it's a 12 by 9 when you shipping it, you're going to be paying like probably like $1 extra. This right now is about an 8 by 8. Okay, so that's how I'm going to ship it, as about an 8 by 8 with it folded. So when you fold that t-shirt, just know that that extra, if you put it in there the size of the bag, you're going to pay extra. And I can verify this if you go to, let's say if you go over to into like Pirate Ship and you do your shipping, you'll see. You'll be like, girl, you're going to save me $1. Okay, so we're going to do 8 inches by 8 inches by 1. And you only need to do this if you're shipping and if you are, if you want the shipping to calculate right. The regular price of it, we're going to leave that empty right now. And then for categories, our categories is going to be bulk apparel. And that's all we're going to leave that in. I'm not going to do the subcategories or anything. Tags in here will be, we're not going to leave, we'll say budget tee. That's the G500. We'll say budget. We'll say budget t-shirt. And we can go in there and get our tags in a minute. And y'all, I'm going to take this caps off because I just feel like I'm just... Okay. So we'll leave budget t-shirt in there, and then maybe we'll do something else. Upsells and cross sales, those are going to be specific style numbers. So once I get these style numbers over on that side where I was trying to get them, then I'll come in and I'll cross sell, add what I want to add in here. Here I have attributes, and we're going to do attribute 1 name. And the first attribute, let's see. So we got a shirt size, color size. So we'll do here, we'll say this attribute is the G500 colors. So this is actually, if I just put colors on here, it's going to pull up just those specific t-shirt colors for that product. I'm going to put G500 colors because I'm going to have probably 100 products on the website eventually, and I want to be able to differentiate. So if you remember today when I was putting up these colors here, right? I was putting in these colors, and I now need to go in and just copy those in there. So what I'm going to do is just copy all of these colors, and I'm going to hit copy. But the thing is, it has to be in here, and it has to be comma separated. So I'm going to go over here to ChatGPT, and I'm going to say, comma separate these in a line. Okay. And let it comma separate everything for me. It's going to be the easiest way to do it. Oh, it gave me some inaccuracies. I need you to clean up the text. So it's saying that I had some problems and it had to go in and do some stuff. So we're going to go in and clean that up. Okay. Let's pull those colors. Those are all the colors. So we'll copy those, and then we'll go here and we will paste them all. And then up here we can wrap them, and they're all there. Okay. And let's make sure they're all there. We see them all. Okay. So they are all there. Now, what I want to do is I want to ask ChatGPT because what I'm not sure about is the color code, how I can get those in there. I'm not completely sure if I can, or if I'm going to have to go in and actually put all of those in there. If I do, then I'm going to use a plug-in to do it. So, but let me at least try. Okay. Let me see what it says. And I'm just going to push that over off the thing because I need to be putting in some other stuff. And I'll let y'all know what it says. So it actually tells me add conditional formatting, organize your CVS file, add a new column named something like color code. Okay. not gonna work. Okay, so I've got, for that, we got the colors, and then here we're gonna have size, and then the size for this one is going to run the G500. What size does it run in? Okay, so they have they actually have a plugin that allows you to map your attributes like colors. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm not going to do it that way. I'm going to go in for all of these colors that I have. I'm going to go in and upload, do a CSV file to attributes and upload it there. But size, let's see here. I need to know the G500 and G500B run in. Let's see. We need to do our G500 and our G500B. So the G500 goes small through extra small. Okay, so this is what I'm doing. So actually in here, you can use this to upload into your your WordPress site or whatever site. Okay, so I only want the sizes color separated. That's it. Don't need all that other. Trying to get it to do the work to keep me from doing a bunch of typing. So we're going to go small to extra large. Copy. I'm going to go paste. I'm going to go comma. Pull out the other. In a minute, I'm going to show y'all guys, after I do at least this one, I'll show you how to, so there's the attributes, and those are the only two attributes that I need right now in this, is basically color and size. If you had any other attributes, you would add, you know, you would go in and you would add that down off in here until you just kept going, right, with your attributes. Okay, no, wait a minute. This is supposed to be here, which is size. This is supposed to be here. We're messing up. This is supposed to be the value. Edit, copy. This right here is the value, which is paste. And let's go ahead and wrap it right here where it says visible. Let's see here. This is supposed to be a 1, I believe. Yep, because I want it to show. And then attribute 1 global. Let's go ahead and delete that. Now, I don't see anything in those but zeros. I'm not sure what the global means, y'all. So, not going to put anything there. So, those are the ones. And then that one will be visible with all those colors. We want it to be visible. We want that one to be visible. And then let me ask ChatGPT what attribute 1 actually means so that I know for the future. It may mean like the cost, or should it be all together? I'm not sure. I'm going to find out. So it could mean, no, 1 global. I meant attribute 1 global. Attribute 1 global. Need to know, what does it mean? Global mean. why do I need to know if it's global or not? So global is across all products. It ensures the values across all products. Okay. So that's what the global is for. So we got all of those. Now, I pretty much know that I'm probably going to, for me, because I like to drag stuff. And at this point, I would be just dragging all of that other stuff. So let's see here. What is it? WinH. Give me a product description for the G500 by Gildan. Hopefully it'll spell it right and give it to me right. So this is what's going on. So I have to get all of my product descriptions right here. And so let me see. The G500 is versatile. Da 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 da. Okay. Reliable for any source. Okay. Okay, so okay, so write the product description as if you were Lady Print Boss. You know how I like to keep things fun, but professional. I don't want it to be just the regular, boring description. So give it some flair. And before you do that, let me tell you what the G500 is used for. This is a great t-shirt if you're just looking for something for an event. While the G500 is a pre-shrunk shirt, in our opinion, it does still shrink. If you're looking for just the run-of-the-mill t-shirt, nothing special, something with that doesn't have side seams, that you can wear if it's not form fitting, then this is a shirt for you. It's perfect for events and giveaways. Okay, so let it do. I like to do my own thing. Okay. 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 The workhorse shirt you didn't know you needed. Listen, not every shirt is going to be the star of the show. The G500 is really no fuss hero you want in your corner when you're throwing an event, handing out freebies, or need something that gets down to the job without all the frills. It isn't the shirt you flex on Instagram with. It's the shirt you count on when you need something particular and budget friendly. Yes. Okay, girl. I'll take that. Okay, that sounds like me. So I'm going to take this and I'm going to copy this and then, okay. So there we go. Okay. Okay, so that'll be for the regular product description. Give me a short product description for my WordPress site. Honey, what is going on? Why are you using my microphone? Oh, wait a minute. I think you clicked on the wrong one. Hold on, y'all. Okay, give me a short product description for WordPress. I need it even shorter. You go to for giveaways, no fuss, reliable, we'll do, expect a little. Okay, we'll take that. Make it no more than 2 sentences. I don't know, it looks a little thick to me. Okay, so this one is gonna go over here, copy. And this is where I was telling you guys when I said, hey, sometimes you're gonna do, sometimes it's gonna be long, sometimes it's gonna be short. G500. Here, edit, paste, and so there we have that. Okay. Okay. I'll probably put in one more and then I will go ahead and do a test and upload so that I know that I'm on point with everything. And see right here, this is normally where I would be doing this. Okay, so now it worked. But, that's crazy. So it worked here on the variable, but it did not work on, that's crazy. Let's see if it'll work here. Yeah, it's just going to pull copy, fill the cells in the series. Okay. Oh, now you wants to work. Okay, then. All righty. Then maybe we can get this show on the road. Let me go ahead and format this and see if I can get it to do what I want it to do. Let's go in, and this we are going to add, increase the decimals. Let's see. I may have to go in and format it. So I'm going to format it as non-Pacific. Let me go in and format it. Sample. Do we want it to be numbers or decimal places? That's to that way. I need custom. Here we go. So give me special. There we go. Give me that for this type. And then let's see what we can do. Okay, so we'll go we'll go 25001 because we're starting with 2025 is what we're doing. Just go in and see if we go to there and if it'll go fill the cells. Okay, it's filling now, but it was not filling earlier. 25007. I just want all of these to have a number. Let me try to see if I put TSD in front of it, if it will fill. It did. Ooh, finally got what I wanted, y'all. Ooh. Okay, so that's TSD 2025, TSD 2511. That's why I was, when I was sorting and filtering, that was, looks like, is it a situation where it only wants to let me do so many? To do 2 at a time? Is that what's going on here? Because that would seem kind of weird. So we'll have all these SKU numbers, baby, yes. Got time to be going back and doing them all one by one. We'll have all of the SKU numbers put in. And like I said, if you wanted to go one by one and update those, then that's something that you could definitely do. Me, not gonna happen. Okay, so there. Come on. Drop it like it's hot now. You don't want to go do it all like that. Oh, you don't want to just get down for your crown like that. You likes to do just a little bit at a time. I can't lie to y'all, I don't work with CSV files much. I work mainly with Excel files, and so this kind of tripped me out a little bit. So what I'm going to do is I probably won't even import this tonight because this is taking a while. Like I said, it's going to take a while. It's going to take a while. But what I will do, oh, I'm missing some stuff right here. Now I got to bypass. I'll have to bypass these other ones. Or else I'm going to have duplicate numbers. You want to act crazy. This in itself right here is very, very helpful. Yes, replace it, honey. Replace it, sweetheart. Replace it. Okay. Whew. Okay. So let's see. So all of these products I got to go in and do. And what I'm going to do, this is going to be the easiest thing for me to do, is to speak these colors in here and let it give me a whole list. Okay. That's probably going to be the easiest way for me to get these colors in here. Okay, chat, I'm going to give you a list of products and I want you to write them and comma separate them. The first one is the Gildan G640, followed by the Gildan G800, the Gildan 2000, Gildan 500B, Gildan 800, the Gildan G640B, Gildan 6010. I'm sorry, go back. The next level, let's see here, 6010. Okay, so we're going into the next level. Let's see here. Okay. Gildan 180 sweatshirt, Gildan 240 long sleeve, Gildan 540 Gildan 540 long sleeve, Gildan 880 polo. Why are you not working? Okay. Gildan 880 polo, Gildan 800. Oh, I already got that one. what's going on, y'all, but my stuff is not. Okay, so let's see here. Okay, let's just do it like this. Just give me the list. And then I'll write the other ones. I'll type the other ones down on here. Okay. Okay. Looks like you don't want to give me the list. Okay, there you go. You gave it to me. Okay. Okay, so let's add the 880 Polo, the G240 pocket tee. So basically you're going to go in and put in all of the shirts that you want to carry. G420, G840. So you would basically type in all of the shirts that you want to carry, right? And then get product titles, product descriptions, short descriptions for all of them. So G420, the G570, and these are the ones that I was working on earlier today that I knew that I was going to, so it's not something that's like just a one and done. It's something that, you know, you've been researching, you know that, okay, these are the products that you want to carry. And so now you're getting them up in here. And then we're going to go into the N60, which is going to be next level. So this part is the part that takes a while, but y'all are going to see the magic happen in just a minute. And I think that is, oh, thought that was it. And 3601. And 6210 is the last one. Do I already have that one? Okay. 6210. So that means that the one before that, something must have happened. 3601. No, that's right. Okay. Let's just hit that and it should give me that. Give me all of those. Comma separated. Okay. Now that I have all of these, okay. Okay, so what I want you to do, 1, 2, 3, okay. Okay. Well. I don't want you there. I don't want you there. I want you here. Okay, so give me a product title for each one of these t-shirts and give it to me separated on a different line, each description or title. Not description, just title. Okay, so I'm going to have it give me the product titles first because that's going to be the most easiest thing to do. You guys getting it? Y'all following along? Y'all getting it? Y'all quiet out there tonight? Really quiet out there tonight. So these are all the ones that we have. Great, right? Why do we want it that way? So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, somewhere off in there. I don't know. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to highlight these. I'm going to go here. I'm going to copy, right? And then we can easily just go over here to our products that we already added. Did I give this one a name? I did not do anything there. Let's see here. Is that going down into that? It looks like it is. It looks like it is. It looks like it just might be. No, it's not. That's just the way that it looks. That's just the way that it appears to be. Okay. So, you know what? I'm gonna make this not move. So let's see if I can. I want to do a sort. I don't want the columns to move in here. So if I was going left, I would do a left column, make the left column not move. But how do I make the top columns not move? Let me think about it. I need to freeze a pane. I need to do a freeze something. Let me see here. Conditional formatting, highlight rules. Where is those freeze, those panes? Oh, sometimes I can't remember where stuff is, y'all. So you can actually freeze a pane. Let me ask ChatGPT because it would know. Okay, so I need you to remind me how to freeze a pane. I have a column at the very top that has drop downs and I want that to be frozen, and then all the columns down below it, when I scroll up, I don't want that very top row to move. So remind me how to do it. Hey, what's up, Pimpin'? We finna upload, do this book, upload, do this book, upload. Go to freeze panes, click in. Open a spreadsheet, click anywhere you want to activate it. Go to View tab in the ribbon, in the Windows group, click on Freeze Panes. Okay, so here I am. Click anywhere on the spreadsheet. Go to the View tab. Go to the View tab. Then in the Windows group, there it is. Freeze Panes. And then freeze the top row. There we go. Okay, now that's a whole lot better. There we go. Now, there we go. Why does that make sense? Why does that make sense? Because now we can do what we want to do. We're going to just go ahead. All of these products that I'm adding are going to be variable products. So we're just going to bring all them down. And then we're going to take that SKU number down in a second. But this is when the magic is going to start happening. In here with ChatGPT, we're just going to take all of these right here. We're going to copy these, hit copy, and then we're going to paste, and it's going to pop them all down there for us, nice and pretty. Oh, I tell y'all, I do love technology and things getting better, because now we just added all of them at one time. And We're going to do this in order. Okay, in order. Okay, so when they all come out, we do want them all to be actually published. Now, if you don't want yours to be published, then hit it with a -1 so that you can go in and look at them. Okay, so now I'm going to go back over here. We're going to get busy with ChatGPT. So I need a short product description for all of these. So I'm going to click these and go here, and click this here and go here, and then up here. Oh, I clicked enter by mistake. Oh, I was not trying to enter that. Edit paste. Okay, and then I'm going to say, okay, so I want a short product description for each one of these products. Let's do 10 at a time. So do the first 10 and then we'll do the remainder. Okay. So here we go, 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 here we go. So here we go. Okay. Hope you feel better, girl. So on the short product descriptions, all I'm going to do is I'm just going to take that and I'm just going to copy them and put them in there. And I'm going one by one with so the first one is the Gildan Soft Style. Let's go in here and do the wrap text so that we already, sorry y'all. So right here, this is the Soft Style, and where is it at? Now we could, if you wanted to go a step further, you could just go ahead and tell this to make it a whole column, and then you could just copy and paste the whole column in. But you know, that would be like too much, like, right? Where was we at? Gildan Soft Style, right here, paste. And I said we wanted the text to be wrapped. I don't know why in here it just seems that it appears to me that these columns don't want to wrap these texts the way that you like want it. I don't know why, but I'm going to do what I gotta do. Here. Okay. Thanks, ladies. Hoping this calms down. Girl. Did you take anything? So here. So wait to the 6th one. So that is the crew neck shirt. As I'm going through, I'm just looking, making sure that I'm actually grabbing the ones that, nice. I'm at 8, copy. The only problem that I did not, the reason that I did not do this as a column, which I could have, and we'll try on the next one. Okay, we'll try on the next one. So let's see. Okay. Okay, for the next ones, let's see, can we put these in a column so that I can just copy and paste them into my CSV file? Let's see. It should do it in columns, and then I should just be able to copy them and just paste them. Hopefully, we'll see what happens. Sometimes y'all know. So here they are right here, which was nice, right? That's nice. Um, we could probably just go in here and just build out everything in ChatGPT and say, give me this, give me that, give me boom, 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 right? Um, Probably could just do it that way. But we at the, and did it download it for me? Because sometimes it will download the whole file. It did not. Okay, so it is at the G420. Let me make sure. Yep, it's at the G420, and I'm just going to highlight that column and hit copy, Control C, and then come into this column and hit Control V. It did not do it. Edit. Okay. So, okay, so let's see. So it's not, if I copy here, okay, hold on, let's see. There we go. Let's see. Is it gonna let me copy now? Okay, now copy, and let's see if I hit copy. Nope. Nope. Okay. Okay, so I think I'm gonna have to actually download the CSV file, or why would it not let me copy it here? Huh. Yeah, it doesn't seem to want to let me copy. Yeah, it's not letting me copy it for some reason. So I probably got to download it. So that's what it is letting me do, is download it, and then I can probably copy it. Which is booty. But it gets it in there. Okay. It's still short. So it did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I'm missing something. So from a soft lightweight crew for women, lightweight Marshall Wicken classic basketball. Oh, here we go. So this is what we did. We supposed to start it with, let's get rid of this, and we supposed to start it with this one here and come all of the way. Oh, no. Where is the file? Here. So here to here, which is actually only 9. So I wonder why it did not download. So it actually didn't download everything. So a soft, that's the next level, 1510. It's actually there. Okay. It actually is getting me to copy to where I need to be. So this is the process, y'all. So it should have got me to the 1510. I'm still not getting, let's see. Am I to the 1510? Yep, I am. Oh, okay. So, okay. Now I need ChatGPT to give me the next ones. Okay. Okay, and give me the description for the next four, but don't give it to me in a CSV file. Just give it to me individually. I got time for all that. On the next one, on the big one, I will copy. Edit, paste. Edit, copy. Edit, paste to the C64, C6040. And that ain't even on here. Somewhere in here, 1510. Y'all, somewhere off in here, I'm messing up. Somewhere in here, I'm messing up. Okay. So, I got that one. These is not right. That means it's time for me to call it a night because they're not right. Okay. So, I'm going to copy these. Copy. Edit. Paste. Okay. These are the ones that I need the product description for, please. And thank you. Hit escape. You don't even have to see how, when I put that in there, all I did was just copy and paste it. It already knows what I want because I've talked to it so much. So it already knows what you want. So even if it takes me, like I said, a couple of days to get everything in here that I want, I know that once I upload it, it would be everything, which we probably finna get this up here tonight. This number 5, it did not give me. Okay, did you not find a CSV? It didn't give me the number 5, the last one. It stopped on the last one, and sometimes that happens. It could be that maybe it can't find a product description for it. And if it doesn't, then that'll be okay. It gave me most of them. So, okay, so paste, copy, paste it. Okay. Then all of these right here, I want the text to be wrapped. And I want them all to be the same size. Okay, so I'm making progress. So on this next one, I am going to do that one with a CSV. So I am going to do that one as a CSV file and just download and copy and paste because those descriptions are going to be long. And I'm almost ready to upload this stuff. Okay, so now I need a long description for, or just not a long description, but a regular description for my WordPress product pages for those products that I just asked you about. I want to make sure that I get the fabric content and the available sizes that all are in, and just any pertinent details that I need to put on the website. Let's do that now. Oh, and I need it in a CSV file, y'all. I forgot that. I forgot that part. That I did want that in a CSV file. Okay, so start with the very first one. Start with the Gildan G640. Okay. Okay, this looks great, but I want you to give me a complete list of all of the ones that I asked you for in the previous text mess or in the previous messages, uh, and I want you to give them all to me in a CSV file. Start with the G640, and then end with the C6014. Do you understand? Sometimes I will ask ChatGPT if it understands what it is that I want. And if we had images, y'all, I may just go in and pull the image URLs and put those image URLs in here. So I ain't even got to pull up the images for these also. You could also do that. Okay, so it created the file for me. And I'm going to open up the file. I've found out that it appears that the files won't open in when you're on your phone. ChatGPT does not seem to give you the and actually, y'all, we could do like from right here, like I did not want you to give it to me in different da 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 da. That's not what I wanted. That is not what I wanted. Nope, nope, nope. I want you to give me a complete product description for each product, including the fabric content. Okay, so I don't think you understood what I wanted. I want you to give me a complete product description for each product with the fabric content and the size all in that one column, as you did up above on number 5. I want all the products to be like that, but in a CSV file. Understand? Respond and let me know if you understand, and show me an example before you create the CSV file. Okay. Okay. I told you to show me an example before you created the CSV file. You hard-headed. You hard-headed. You is hard-headed. Hard-headed. Don't save that one, but open this one. Let's see. Hard-headed. Okay, but looks like maybe you understood the assignment. So I guess you said, I ain't got time to be playing with you. Okay, so that should be 20. Let's go copy, and hopefully we can go right here and hit paste, and we should have, it should stop at the 20, and it did not. Oh, shoot. Let me see. Let me see why. A lightweight cotton soft tee. Perfect for every day. Available in sizes. Stay cool. A heavyweight tee. A durable a da. Okay. That's not what I want. Okay. ChatGPT wants to give me a hail. Okay, so when you did the 6200, you actually understood the assignment, but when you came back and did, okay, the 6210, let's see, did you understand? So 6210 here, premium tea combining, this is what I want. Okay, so here, let me go in and get the list. Okay. Copy. Paste. Okay, so this is what I want. All 20 like this. Okay, so it's not downloading everything the way that I want it to do, so I'm gonna make it literally like type it all out and then make it give it to me the way that I want it to be. So I'm almost done. Once I get the descriptions on the tax status, all of this is taxable. Okay, and I can just run those numbers down. Okay, you opened up already. Let's see. Let's see what you look like now. And it looks like I'm gonna have to go and change these to drafts and then open them back up. Come on, baby. What's going on? Open Sesame. Sesame, open. Is this the one that I just did? Okay, it's name redone. Descriptions redone. Let's see. Let's see if you gave me something I can work with. Let's see. That's not what I want. Not at all. It's not giving me the descriptions that I want, so I see what it's trying to do is it's trying to kind of skimp on me with what I want, so I don't want that. So for these shirts here, I'm just gonna take all of these and I'm gonna put a -1 in front of all of these. -1, and we're just gonna upload these in the columns that they're in so that I can get some sleep, and at least I'll know that okay, that they're all uploaded, and then I can actually go in and do a bulk thing and take it from draft to what I need to take it to. Let's go ahead and do all of this, get all the main stuff in here. Weight, are all of these t-shirts? All of these t-shirts are about the same. So I'm actually going to take the weight on all of this stuff. Let me go here to, I want the categories, and then, so that's what I actually want, is to find the categories. Let me go back over here and bring this to here, to me, to where I get my stuff at, to here, and then I want to find the categories. So under categories, these are going to be, what's the categories that we have available? Bulk apparel. All of these are going to be least be bulk apparel. Bulk apparel, and then tags. Let's see here. We'll put some kind of tags on here, because I know that if I don't do the tags, then they won't get on there. We'll do 15 tags. Okay, so under tags, okay. Okay, for tags, let's do a comma separated list. We'll do custom t-shirts, screen printing, make my own t-shirt, graphic tees, promotional apparel, personalized t-shirt, affordable t-shirts, and that's good. Okay, that should be good enough. Just to give me a list of something to put here. On these tags. Just a list of something to put there. So that we'll have them. And then here, we'll still have to go in and do the attributes and all of that stuff. So I better not. I was thinking, well, I could upload everything, but I forgot. I still got to add the attributes. The G640, for example. Okay, so here, we're going to go here and we're going to freeze this pane. Let's go up here to view, go to freeze panes. Let's freeze the first column. No, we want to freeze this column, but it's not going to. Oh, that should have been in the first column for me to freeze it. Let's see if it will let me do some type of custom. Freeze the top row, unfreeze panes, freeze, keep the column visible. Oh, that's not what I need. I need you to do something else. Okay, so I know what I'll do. I'll take you, all the way over here. And I could hide you. I need to take all of y'all columns. This is when it gets tricky, when you're dealing with a whole lot of columns. I still got to add those descriptions. Y'all know what? I think I'm going to call it a night because I'm kind of tired. And I still have to, I could go in and hide those columns, but I'm going to still have to end up, you know, doesn't make any sense. So just gonna go hide for now. That'll bring them all close to where I should be able to see them now. I got that one. So feel like I should be able to, that I'm tired is what I feel. Okay, so under the G, attribute name is going to be, the first attribute is going to be what? The color. Just going to say shirt color. Shirt color. That's what we're going to do. And then the second attribute is going to be the actual colors. And then the next one is going to be the size. The global is going to be 1. The size is going to be the name, the value, whether it's visible, whether it's global, and then this one is going to be the size, and then whatever it is. Okay. Oh, Lord. And then we'll put 1 there. Okay, so now for each one of these, I got to go to my chart that I have here and find all of the colors. And hopefully I will have all of this done tomorrow. I don't know about that. I don't know about that. Copy. Oh, yeah, I'm definitely not going to have it done tomorrow because I got to go in and tell ChatGPT to comma separate it all for me, y'all. So I'm going to go ahead and, because I'm going to have to paste it over there. I have to copy it over here and paste it over here. And then tell it to separate it all by commas. The good thing is that once all of this stuff is in there, it's all in there. So I have all those products done for. Okay. And that's going to be the thing. I might as well just take them all and make the list, and then go in. I'll separate them all. Okay, so this is for the G640s. Okay. Copy. There's the attribute list. Paste it. And I go to home, wrap the text. So all the colors for there that are in there. And then for here, we're going to say small, medium, large, XL, 2X, 3X, and I gotta go, and so on and so forth. So I'm gonna do all of this, and then I will do the upload in part 2, y'all, because I am tired. You can't build it just overnight. It does take time. And I'm gonna give me some rest. Tampa, I hope you feel better, y'all. Good night. Oh Lord. Let's see, do we want to do the G800? Let's go on and do copy you. Copy. Oh, nope. Oh yeah, I'm tired. Let me just take a break. Let's just go copy and then go here. All of these are going to be shirt color. Okay. Let's go ahead and call it a day here tonight. Hit save this so that we don't just leave the computer just like it is. Okay, good night, y'all.